Somebody gave us something.
Alright, quick fit check muna tayo. We got the white shirt from Cloudline. Shock ni Dadim of course. JWA jeans from Uniqlo. Hindi na tayo naka-skinny jeans kasi kapag naka-skinny jeans ka daw, halatang tito na tito ka na. We got the Chuck Taylors din. Di kaya ang tawag ko sa kanila, yung Converse na black. May nakita akong video kanina, tinak-in niya yung shirt niya. Tapos medyo ifo-fold daw dito sa may kamay. I don't know, ganito ba kayo manamit? Just let me know if I'm doing something wrong. At ayusin natin yan. This is our journey ng pag-fit check. So, let me know in the comment section if I'm doing something wrong. So ayun, nakatuck-in na tayo. Tapos inangat natin yung sleeve ng konti. Dagdag ko nga pala tong Carhartt na na-thrift namin ng asawa ko. By the way, sa kanya to pero nakita ko lang mukhang bagay ng suot ko ngayon. So let's try it out. I don't know if this fit works.
Ayaw nga pala, may muntik na akong makalimutan. Somebody gave us something. And ang nakalagay dito, 67 of 70. Oh, nice. This is from Local Brim. Forever grateful. Holy shit, this is nice. May Local Brim din dito sa likod. I think bagay naman siya sa outfit natin ngayon. I mean, kung hindi bagay.
This is without the Carhartt top. Oh, mukha ng uncle. Alam mo, itong mga pormahan na ganito, ito yung nakikita ko na sa mga pictures ng titos at tita natin. So what do you guys think? Sino yes or sino no? Good afternoon. Ang Local Brim nga pala, it's a local brand but they do also sell different brands ng caps dun sa kanilang store. I'm gonna put the location and their page down in the comment section. Again, thank you so much Local Brim. This is their 67 of 70. Numbered, so ibig sabihin limited edition ng kanilang hats. I'm not so sure kung meron pa to sa store nila. This is one of the videos of our support local. You guys go check them out. See you all on the next one. Peace!